Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace a waste toner bottle or box on your Konica Minolta bizhub. I'm going to be using a bizhub C360i, but this will work on any of the machines that look like this, such as your bizhub C250i, C300i, 360i, 450i, 550i, and 650i, and even some of the newer ones as well. So just remember, if it looks like this, it's going to be all the same process. So very simple. You just open up the front door. You're going to see two blue clips here and another blue stripe sticker there. So you're basically, you should do this with both hands, but I only have one hand available here because I'm holding the camera in the other. So I'm going to hold this and squeeze it, and I'll do the same with the other hand here. And you just pull it out, dispose of this, and when you get the new one, you simply just lay it down there, and with both hands you push it in there just like that. And then go ahead and close the door, and the machine will reset the counter for you. Good luck, guys.